darlings, welcome back to my channel. Firstly, if you are new, it is so exciting to meet you. My name is Sophie. I make 3 videos on this channel every single week on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays, much like this. So if you like this kind of video, I would consider subscribing down below. Today we are doing a highly requested Poundland video. What's new in Poundland? Today we are doing a summer Poundland haul. We went into Poundland and to be fair, they had a lot of cool bits in and I was really impressed. So I picked up some things I want to show you guys because it's coming up to summer, and although the weather is not hot right now, I wish it was, but I'm feeling in that summer mood. I've got some great bargains, as you always do at Poundland. This channel is always about living your best life on a budget. So let's go through everything we got today. I'm very excited. If you're excited, give it a thumbs up. Before we begin, are you going to grab your cup of tea or are you not going to grab your cup of tea? Because I suggest you grab your cup of tea. I've got a green tea today. Does anyone else do what I do when you have green tea? Leave the tea bag in the tea. Just me. Also ignore what my hair's doing today because annoying. Anyway, so grab your teas, get cozy. It's gonna be a good one. And shall we go? Yeah, let's go. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you is something I'm so excited about. If you watch my recent Aldi homeware haul, you know I'm a bit excited about this kind of thing right now. It's these gorgeous solar powered lights. Hello. How cute are these? I saw these in Poundland. They are basically just big light bulbs with a hook at the top so you can hang them somewhere, and they're solar powered. The solar power thing is at the top here. I just thought these would look so cool in my garden. At the moment I'm going through like a real phase of lights have to be everywhere. You guys know I'm obsessed with my fairy lights. When it's not Christmas, you have to like get lots more lights because Christmas just gives you all the lights, gives you all the fairy light feels. So I picked up these from Poundland because I thought they would look so cute just hanging somewhere in the garden. I'm not sure where I'm going to put them. I might tie some string around them and just have them hanging off the bottom of a tree or something. I might hang them on the fence. But can I say, from Poundland, these were £1 each. They are so good. I haven't even hung them outside and already they're ridiculously sensitive. So if you do this, can you see how the light's gone on? I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that. But yeah, can you see how the light's gone on? So as soon as the solar is covered, it triggers the light to come on, and they're coming on so easily. They're this gorgeous like warm yellow colour, which is a colour I prefer with fairy lights. They're just more cozier. More cozier? They're just cozier. Okay, Sophie. These are really cute. They were only £1 each. I only got 2, which I'm a bit annoyed about. I should have got like 10 and kind of had them all in this massive bush in my garden. I highly recommend these if you are looking for solar powered lights. Solar powered lights can be super duper expensive off of places like Amazon, but if you want something that's going to last you a long time and they work really well and they're only £1, live your best life. Okay, I am excited about this. This is something I have never seen in Poundland before. I saw incense sticks in Poundland. Are you okay? I can't believe I saw these in Poundland. I love lighting incense. Incense is such a gorgeous alternative to candles. It fills your house with like the most beautiful, calming, relaxing smells. I highly recommend incense. And also you can get these gorgeous incense burners from various different shops. I didn't see any in Poundland, but they're just such nice things to have in your home. I saw these incense sticks. They are Calmer Scents incense sticks. They had 3 different flavours. One was rose, and rose is the one I picked up. They also had lavender and lemon and something else I can't remember. I think it was sandalwood. Those 2 didn't smell great, and from Poundland you can't expect like the best goods, but I really wanted to try them out, so I got the rose scented incense sticks because out of all 3 they smelled the best. Lavender and lemon just smelled like a bathroom, I'm not gonna lie, and the sandalwood smelled so faux, so fake, I can't even explain. But if you do want to try them out, get the rose ones. But yeah, I thought why not? There's 30 sticks in here. I normally get my incense from like crystal shops and places like that, or sometimes Amazon to be honest. but never Poundland, and I'm excited. Has anyone else seen incense sticks in Poundland? Because that is a very new thing to me. I also picked up something which I found so cute, and it's this gorgeous little flower bucket. How flipping cute is this? This is obviously for your garden, and they had different colours. They had pastel pinks, other sorts of colours, but I really like this like olive green colour. It's very country-esque vibe, and I'm a country girl. I really like this. It was only £1 again. It's so good. It's got this wooden kind of cork thing at the top on the handle. Obviously it just says flowers there. I thought if anything it would just look nice sitting in the garden, whether it's just containing something or it has actual flowers in there. The only thing I would say is you have to drill a hole in the bottom, and one of you guys, one of my lovely viewers, recommended that I drill holes into these kind of pots. My boyfriend has kindly offered to drill a hole in this later, and I think I'm going to plant some bulbs. For only £1, can you really go wrong? I had this idea actually that I would go back and get the other colours in these pots, because to get the pastel pink, and also I think there was a white one, and have them next to each other with several different coloured flowers just pouring out. Oh, how nice would that be? Okay, moving on to a totally separate subject of the house. I found some Astonish fabric refreshener. I've never seen this before from the brand Astonish. If you have watched any of my previous videos, you know I love the cleaning brand Astonish. It's completely vegan, it's nice in the environment, and it's so affordable. I can't even tell you, like, these things are so affordable. This is Cotton Fresh fabric refreshener, so I think it works in the same way as, is it Vanish or Febreze? I think it works similar to Febreze, where you spray it over your cushions and it kind of like neutralizes all those odors. So I'm thinking about keeping this in a drawer in the living room, maybe in one of these TV cabinet drawers that I have, and then every evening before I go up to bed just give it a nice little zhuzh, give my sofa a nice zhuzh, yeah, and let it dry overnight, and in the morning it will smell nice. So it's meant to neutralize all those unpleasant odors, and I just really liked it. Astonish is a completely cruelty-free brand, so I highly recommend it if you are looking for cruelty-free cleaning products. Poundland did actually have loads and loads of things for your garden, so if you're like an outdoorsy person, a garden person, or if you just want things on your windowsills, go to Poundland, because I found lots and lots of bulbs. They had so many flower bulbs. Am I an adult now? Because I'm literally buying flower bulbs. I think I'm an adult. There are 50 bulbs in here and 10 bulbs in there. These are gladioli, and these are like a mixture of plants that are good for bees and butterflies, which is why I got it. These are very cottage-esque plants. Oh my gosh, do you guys enjoy this content? Because I like talking about it, but I don't know if it's really boring. So I thought these were really good for only £1, and you can get like ever-growing type flowers. I was impressed. I'm probably going to plant some of these in my new pots as well, because like how gorgeous would those colours together go, and if it's good for the bees and butterflies. Also, I was going to put these in flower beds, but hopefully I'm moving house later this year, so I might just put them all in pots and have them coming out of pots so I can bring the pots to my new house. And yes, I will be doing moving vlogs. I also picked up some salad bowl sachets of seeds. Apparently it's really easy to grow salad, and I haven't actually yet tried it. I used to grow cress. Did anyone have that kind of crazy head pot cress thing where you cut his hair? It looks like a man's hair. So yeah, it's got cress in here, so I know how to grow cress, but apparently it's so easy. And how cute would it be in the new house to have my own like little bits of food growing? Like, that is living your best life in my opinion. Little gem, cherry tomatoes, rocket, Italian leaves, salad tomatoes and cress in this. Not bad at all. Okay guys, I cannot recommend getting yourself one of these more than I am right now. If you can't bear flies or wasps buzzing around you when you're sitting in the garden, get yourselves a citronella candle. Oh my gosh, citronella candles genuinely work. I only found out about these last year because there was a fly buzzing around my living room and someone lit a citronella candle, and 2 minutes later that fly had buzzed outside. So I swear by these. They are so good. This is like an outdoorsy citronella candle, so it would be fab to have on the table if we're having a barbecue or a little party and we really don't want wasps or flies near our food. So it's also a bit kinder as well. You're not killing them, you just get away from me, that kind of vibe. This is only £1. Again, they had several different colours. We just picked up the red. It smells actually really nice. It kind of smells like, what does that smell like? It smells like soap. Smells quite nice though. Okay, I saw loads and loads of things like these in Poundland, and they obviously have like a summer holiday range now, but I found this, and it's a Summer Paradise holiday wet swimwear bag. So it's like a waterproof little bag, and basically when you're on holiday and you've been out swimming and running around the beach, can't wait. Once you have finished with your swimwear, you could pack it in here and then put it in your suitcase if you're going the next day or something and don't have time to dry it. I am the queen of putting wet swimwear in my suitcase and kind of making everything else wet, and it's super annoying. So I thought I would get this bag. It would be really handy. They had loads of things like these. I didn't really need anything else. They also had these really fab like first aid kits for your holiday, which look really good, and yeah, that was only £1, so I highly recommend looking in their summer holiday range. I also found some Nivea Mostella water, so I use this to kind of take off my makeup and clear all my pores in the evening. Didn't actually know Poundland did this, the Nivea Micellar water, but it's handy. It's definitely more expensive in Boots. What I will say is the bottle is very small, so perhaps that's why it's only £1, but it's kind of travel size and I can bring it around with me. I really like this stuff. It's probably just plain water and I'm buying plain water. No, I don't actually think it is. It has something in there that is really good for your skin. It's good for my skin anyway. It keeps it really hydrated. So I picked up one of these. We also picked up some of this, which is oven cleaner. So my oven needs a clean. It is not nice. He was walking along the cleaning section and a man randomly approached us and told us that this is £4 in other supermarkets, but in Poundland it's only £1. So we thought we would try it. Apparently it's fume free, so it's not, because I think with this stuff it's so toxic, it's really dangerous, and it's kind of acidy. So it's not the safest thing. I've never actually done this myself or used it. I'm actually really terrified to use it. I think I would rather scrub it out with Fairy Up liquid, but I'm gonna give this a go anyway. Apparently it's fume free, but definitely if you're going to use this, use gloves or something that will keep your skin safe, and keep all windows open. Don't let any pets or children near the room while you're doing it. But yeah, I'm gonna try this out. If you want to know how it works, let me know. You probably don't, because how boring is this oven cleaner, but you know, gotta keep those ovens clean. And then as always, I picked up some Dreamies for my cats. Only £1 each per bag. I think that's cheaper than elsewhere. It might just be the same price elsewhere, but I always pick these up because why not? I got the 2 cheesy ones and 1 beef one, and my cats love a good Dreamy. Okay guys, so that was everything in today's Poundland haul. I will obviously be doing one in a couple of weeks to update you on what's new in Poundland, because I see they are bringing more and more summery bits in. They also have lots of barbecue style bits, lots of like summer glasses, summer cups, party stuff. So I might do another haul in a couple of weeks, so stay tuned for that. Thank you very much for watching as always, and if you haven't already, please subscribe down below, because I upload every single Sunday, Tuesday and Thursday, which means I'll see you again very soon. Mwah. Bye!